Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making turkey picadillo. It's a noodle dish with ground turkey and lots of other yummy stuff in it. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and let's just get started. Okay, so this is all the ingredients you need for this dish. We have some rotini pasta, golden raisins, Italian style diced tomatoes here, green pepper, onion, ground turkey of course, garlic salt, black pepper, and chili powder. So there's not too many ingredients to this dish, which is super nice and makes for a quick, easy dinner. So first I'm going to brown the meat and get some water boiling for those noodles. So I'm going to be dicing up both the onion and the pepper and put it in with the ground turkey because I'm supposed to cook it all together. So that is how you make the turkey picadillo. It is so yummy. It has a little bit of sweetness from those golden raisins and a little bit of spicy from the chili powder. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video.